back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property, like amenities, room type, location, landmark, facilities, and reviews also. You can see on the screen the hotel location, accommodations, and landmarks are also provided here. You can book online and enjoy it. Location of the hotel is superb in case to fully enjoy the surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 3 p.m. Check-out time of this resort is 10 a.m. There is an offers available online for this hotel along with different hotels and daily perks. If you want to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. In this hotel, they do